under the trailer, did you?
No.
Why don't you straighten the car up?
I'm recording. It's got 3 gears. First, second, and third. Then you got a knob right here. Goes up and down and changes those 3 gears to higher gears or lower gears. This is your switch, crank, and my favorite, this engages the blades. It's electric. Oh, I can't see the motor now. I'm gonna put this top on, damn it. Has a shaft on the back to run the transmission. Then down here under this has a shaft on the front that has an electric switch on it that when you turn it on, engages the blades. 6-speed, 44-inch cut. My $60 lawnmower, all it needed was a coil. I got that, and I got this one out here with it for $60. This one here, all it needs is a coil. Craftsman, got the deck out from underneath it. The tires was off. I'm gonna put the tires off this one on it. This is gonna be Morgan's hot rod.